Welcome back, and in today's video, I'll be showing you how to wrap text around a circle on Canva. So first go to Elements, and then from here, search for a circle in your Shapes section. Then once the circle has been added, you can now increase or decrease the size of the circle based on your preferences. Then from here, go to the section labeled Text and add text to your project. So type in whatever it is you want. Then at the top, you should see the option labeled Effects. So click on it, and then under Shape, select Curve, and then use this slider to increase or decrease the curve based on your liking. So you can now move it here, and then just keep adjusting according to how you'd like it. So you can choose to add other text. So you can duplicate this, add it at the bottom, change the curve completely, then move it down there, continue adjusting. Then let's type in something different. Then as you can see, it's curved around the circle. So then we can add something in the middle, so you can add more text right there. Then we can change this to, then increase the size. And then you should have a curved text around your shape. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.